Welcome back mga kapito dito sa ating usapang referee. Okay, ngayong araw pag-uusapan natin ang types of fouls. Okay, na ginagamitan ng referee na naka-clenched fist or naka-closed fist at tumatawag yung referee ng pagganito. Okay, so ito yung tinatawag na violation na charged as foul. Okay. So, unang-una, yung tinatawag na holding foul. Yung referee tumawag, then, close, holding foul, hawakan yung kamay at ibababa ng bahagya. Okay? Your grabs wrist downward. Okay. Yun ang tinatawag na holding foul. Okay. Ang pangalawa ay yung blocking foul. Okay. Blocking foul. Blocking foul, ganun din, tawag yung referee, close, and magsasign siya ng ganito. Yung both hands on hips. Okay. Tawag yung referee. Okay. And ang pangatlo ay yung pushing foul. Okay, pushing foul. Ganun din. Tawag ng referee. Close. Push. Yan. Pushing foul. So, yan yung pushing foul. Ang pangatlo or yung pang-apat natin ay yung hand checking. Okay, hand checking. Ganun din. Tawag referee. Hand check. Like this. Yan. Yan ang hand checking. Okay. Grab, palm, and forward motion. Okay. Igagrab yung palm and forward motion. Yan. Hand check. Okay. So, yung pang-lima natin ay illegal use of hands. Okay, illegal use of hands, ganun din. Yung referee tatawag ng ganito. Then, magsasign siya ng okay, ganyan. Bali, strike niya yung wrist niya. Pag ganun. Yan ang tinatawag na illegal use of hands. Okay? So, yung pang-anim ay charging foul with the ball. Okay. Charging foul with the ball. Bali, ganito po yan mga kapito. Charging foul with the ball. Referee, tawag. Then, ganyan siya. Ibig sabihin, nasa kanila yung position ng bola. Okay? Charging foul with the ball. Okay? Then, yung illegal contact of the hands. Illegal contact of the hands. Bali, yun ay ginagamit kapag tumira yung player going to the basket. Okay? So, makikita nyo, ganito. Close. Then, ganito siya. Ganyan. Illegal use of hands or strike the palm towards the other forearms. Okay. I-strike na yung isang kamay niya towards other forearm. So, yan yung tinatawag na illegal contacts of the hands. Okay? Then, yung sunod, yung hooking foul. Hooking foul. Tawag ng referee, then magsasign siya ng ganito. Okay. Hooking foul. Yan. Yung blocking foul ay ganito po yun mga kapito. Tatawag yung referee. Okay, then block. Hands on the hips. Yan. Blocking foul. Ang blocking foul ay para sa defensive. Okay, defensive blocking foul. Pag offensive din, ganoon din, blocking foul. Okay? So, makikita nyo yung referee ganito. Tawag. Ganyan. That's blocking foul. Okay, yung sunod ay yung pushing foul. Okay? Tatawag yung referee. Then, magsasign ng ganito. Pushing foul. Tawag. Push. Push. That is, pushing foul is charging without the ball. Okay? Charge na without the ball. Ibig sabihin, wala sa kanya yung bola. Nagkaroon ng tulak. Okay? Tumulak siya. So, charge siya ng pushing foul. Okay, yung hand-checking naman, yung hand-checking, tatawag yung referee, then, magsasign siya ng ganyan. Check, hand-check. Yan. So, yung hand-checking is tinatawagan usually kapag yung player, yung defensive, laging nakahawak or matagal humawak sa katawan ng offensive. Okay? Kanyang katunggali. So, pag masyadong matagal or mayat-maya siya humahawak, so pwedeng tawagan yun ng referee ng hand-checking. Okay? Hand-check. Yan. Yung sunod natin na foul ay yung illegal contact to the hands. Okay? Illegal contact to the hands. Usually, ito yung ginagamit ng referee na kapag tumawag yung referee, tawag siya, close, and ganito yung signal ng illegal contacts to the hands. Okay? Illegal contacts to the hands. Strike the palm towards the other forearms. Okay? Strike the palms towards the other forearm. Okay? Ganito siya. Ganito po siya. Okay? So, usually, ginagamit din yan kapag yung player, yung nagdadala ng bola, ay magsushoot siya going to the basket. Okay? Going to the basket. Then, nagkaroon ng contacts. Yan po ang ginagamit ng illegal contacts to the hands. Okay. Yung foul, yung sunod na foul na tinatawag ng referee na naka-close. Okay? Yung clenched fist. Okay? Yung excessive using of elbows. Okay? Yung kumanon yung offensive. Sumiko siyang ganon, so tatawagan ng referee yun. It's a foul. Okay? Usually, kapag medyo grabe-grabe yung ginawa ng player, pwede pang ma-upgrade yun, mapunta sa unsportsmanlike foul, or either kung masyadong mabigat pa yung ginawa niya, so baka ma-thrown out na siya. Okay? Okay, yung next foul natin ay yung head to the head. Okay. Usually, nangyayari yan din kapag magta-take off din yung offensive player. So, dyan usually nagagamit ng referee yung head to the head. Okay? So, halimbawa, going to the basket din, yung offensive player, then nagkaroon ng rebound. Okay? Or yung defensive, yung dumipensa shot, nahagip niya yung offensive. Okay? Kita ng referee, nahagip niya sa ulo. So, yung referee, tatawag, then, magsasign ng ganito. Okay. Head to the head. Yan po yung tinatawag na head to the head. Okay, yung next foul natin ay yung natawag na foul by team control of the ball. Okay? Foul by team control of the ball. So, tumatawag yung referee. Ganon. Then, ituturo niya yung kung saan yung offending team. Halimbawa, yung offending team nandito or nandoon. So, yung kamay ng referee, ituturo niya doon sa offending team. Okay? Halimbawa, nasa back court or nasa front court, ituturo niya yung kamay ng referee, ituturo niya doon sa offending team. Point clenched fist towards basket of offending team. Okay. So, tatawag yung referee. Then, gaganyan niya. So, yan yung foul by team in control of the ball. Okay? So, yung sunod na foul ay yung foul in the act of shooting. Okay? Foul in the act of shooting. Yung referee tatawag. Okay? Then, pag nagkaroon ng contact, tatawag yung referee, sisigaw siya, 2. Okay? Ibig sabihin, 2 shots. 2 shots. Okay? Foul in the act of shooting. Okay? Foul, then 2. Ganito. Ibig sabihin, nagkaroon ng contact during sa flight. Okay? Act of shooting. So, foul, then 2 shots. 2 shots. Okay? So, yan. Yan yung signal ng referee. Tapos, mayroon naman na foul na nasa baba. Okay? Ibig sabihin, foul not on the act of shooting. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya akmang titira. Okay? Hindi pa siya titira or titake off para mag-shoot. So, tatawag yung referee. Then, down. Okay, down. Tuturo siya ng down. Ibig sabihin, nagkaroon ng foul na hindi act of shooting. Okay? Kumbaga yung foul not on the act of shooting, kumbaga yung foul ay nangyari sa baba pa lang. Okay? So, tatawag yung referee. Then, down. Okay? Turo. Down. Okay. So, mayroon din tayong mga special fouls na tinatawag. Yun yung double foul. Okay? Ganun din, ginagamitan ng referee ng close or clenched fist. Then, sa double foul. Then, yung technical foul, unsportsmanlike foul, disqualifying foul. Okay? Yan yung mga ginagamitan sa special fouls natin. Okay, so, bali yun yung ginagamit na naka-clenched fist yung referee. Yung mga fouls na talagang mabibilang siya na may contact at charging as foul. Okay, charging as foul. So, that's it for now mga kapito. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay. Okay? At medyo malapit na rin yung Pasko. So, batiin ko lang po kayo. Merry Christmas advance and Happy New Year po sa bawat isa. Maraming pong salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta dito sa ating usapang referee. At naway, yung mga aspiring referee natin dyan ay kahit papano ay may matutunan ng konti, okay, sa aking mga sinishare na video about sa usapang referee or kung paano mag-officiate ng isang referee. Okay, maraming pong salamat and please don't forget to subscribe at share na rin mga kapito para maihatid natin sa mga kababayan natin na gusto maging referee in the future. Lalong-lalo na. Okay. Is makatulong itong video kahit papaano ay magkaroon ng idea, konting idea yung ating mga aspirant referee or yung mga mahihilig sa basketball. Okay? So maraming pong salamat and God bless everyone. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod na video. Thank you.